Have you ever met someone who loved to play tricks? Well, in the heart of the laughing forest lived a hyena named Giggle. Giggle had spots like polka dots and a grin that never quit. He loved nothing more than playing pranks on the other animals. One sunny morning, Giggle crept up to Ellie the elephant. He tickled her trunk with a feather, making her sneeze so hard she trumpeted like a tuba. All the animals scattered, and Giggle rolled on the ground, laughing. Next, he snuck up on Jerry the giraffe. Giggle tied Jerry's long legs in a knot while he was sleeping. Poor Jerry woke up and stumbled around like a wobbly tower. Giggle thought it was hilarious, but not everyone found Giggle's tricks funny. The animals started avoiding him. Giggle felt lonely, but he didn't know how to make friends without playing jokes. One day, Giggle heard a cry for help. He peeked through the bushes and saw Leo, the lion cub, stuck in a deep hole. The other animals were too scared to help. Giggle knew this was his chance to do something good. He called out, "Don't worry, Leo, I'll get you out." Giggle lowered his spotted tail into the hole. "Grab on tight," he said. Leo held on, and Giggle pulled with all his might. It wasn't easy, but he didn't give up. Finally, with one last big pull, Leo popped out of the hole like a jack-in-the-box. The animals cheered. They were amazed by Giggle's bravery and kindness. Leo smiled at Giggle. "Thank you for saving me. You're a true friend." Giggle's heart swelled with happiness. He realized that helping others felt even better than playing tricks. From that day on, Giggle used his cleverness to make the animals laugh in kinder ways. He told funny jokes and did silly dances. The laughing forest was filled with even more joy than before. Giggle learned that true friendship comes from being kind and helpful. And the best part, he had more fun than ever, surrounded by his new friends. Now, when you hear laughter in the forest, you'll know Giggle and his pals are having a wonderful time together.